guys, and welcome back to the Tanya Takeover, where I'm your girl Tanya, and today we are gonna just do a little weekend vlog. This is Samantha's first sleepover since this whole corona thing, and she is excited to have her friends over, excited to have people over, and yeah, it's gonna be a crazy weekend. I can feel it already. I just know I'm not sleeping this weekend. So let's get these kids situated, let's have a little fun and see what we could do this weekend because I'm trying to get into something. All right. Oh my gosh, here's little Mia.
My YouTube video, so we got the cookies and I got a new phone, totally.
Okay guys, so we're just having a nice pool time. The kids are loving this. It's so nice out here. Oh Lord, look at this one. Say hi.
Hi.
This little one, she sees a camera and she comes running, so. Yeah, I feel like this weekend is gonna be really hectic with the weather being so nice and everything. That's the whole point of the house, right? To relax and enjoy and having friends and family over. So yeah, we're gonna probably order some takeout tonight, do some running around tomorrow, and make this a fun time. I would go in the pool, but you know, I just did this hair and the edges. These edges are not gonna be good, so I do not want to get my hair wet. I like to profile by the pool, not actually in the pool. So just as long as the kids are having fun, that's all that matters, right?
Okay guys, so we're about to make some pizza and I kind of took over the vlog. We're gonna make our own pizza, so yeah.
Oh, Mia, me, Samantha, Titi, we're about to make some pizza from scratch. Sophie's here, man in the oven. So guys, my vlog done got taken over.
Taken over by the queen. So yeah, if you guys want to go subscribe to my channel.
What's the name of your channel?
Mia Bella Show _YT.
Okay, so follow my girl, Mia Bella, on her YouTube channel, please. Thank you. Okay, so now they're making their pizza. They're taking out the pizza crust, opening up the pepperoni. This is gonna be like a Sicilian pizza. We're using ragu, homemade style, okay. Okay, now it's going into the oven at 400 degrees. So today has been an awesome day. I love having people over and entertaining and just having friends and family over. That's what the kids are enjoying because, you know, things are about to start opening up again and I don't know if we're prepared for it, if we're not prepared for it, but it's going down. So I ordered my food. I'm waiting for more family to come. I don't know, it's just a weird weekend that everybody wants to just get out of the house. It's beautiful out, why not? Enjoy the weather. Look at this one. And now the kids are riding their bikes. I don't know what this vlog is gonna turn out to be, but this is my life, so here's what it is. This is what you guys gonna get. Okay guys, so while we were outside playing, look what happened to our pizza. It looks good, just a little crunchy. It smells so good, so I know they cannot wait to eat, but I'm still holding out for my food, so I'm not eating pizza with them. Let's go get the kids, tell them come eat. What you guys think? Can you open your own pizza parlor or what?
It's good.
It's good? It's like, yeah, it's crispy. Hey guys, so we just finished eating and I'm sorry I didn't record it. I was just caught up in, you know, family coming over and having friends and stuff over. So I actually forgot to record. So right now I'm just gonna get undressed, ready for bed, get some work done, and I will come back to you guys tomorrow and start this again. I'm telling you it'll be better tomorrow, I promise. Today I just got a little distracted, so. All right guys, so have a good night. Hey guys, good morning. So today I am going to a gym auction. You know, with so many businesses and everything closing right now, a lot of the gyms are auctioning off their gym equipment because they weren't expecting to close because of the whole pandemic, so everything's a mess. But we're gonna go get some gym equipment discounted. My brother wants some to take back with him, and that's basically why he's visiting me. He's just using me because the place is in New Jersey and he needed a place to come get his gym equipment, so that's fine. and then maybe go to the park, you know, walk these kids around, because when they're idle, they get very busy, and just hang out with me. So, all right, let's get going. It's Saturday morning. Let's get this day started. Let's get these kids fed and let's get going. This is served. Okay guys, so we are about to go to the gym auction, and of course my brother threatened to leave me like 3 times, saying that I'm always late. So look who we're waiting for. See, it's not me, it's not me. Okay, so we're leaving. I'm wearing this 2-piece set from Pretty Little Thing in a size medium, but it's kind of baggy. It's actually a little big for a medium. My slides, that's my outfit of the day. I'm not sure if it matches, but whatever. And my hair is looking crazy, but this bad boy is about to come out, so I cannot wait, because I think as soon as your hair knows it's time to get done, it gets like more wild and disheveled. So I'm about to leave. Say hi, Jay. All right, so we are off, guys. Okay, so we are on our way. Jason's being very mean to me. I don't appreciate it. Sophie is not helping. She does not have my back. And I am not happy about it. So, we are on our way. He said it started at 12. I was gonna be ready. What time is it? Oh, it's 12 now? Oh, we're gonna get there at 12. Okay, so we're gonna get there exactly at 12. You don't wanna be too early, it's an auction. You gotta be there fashionably, you know, on time. All right, so I'll show you guys when we get there. So yeah, 6 hours later, we're still here. Jason's bidding on all kinds of things, and it is boring. I don't understand what's happening. And there's like 1,000 pieces of equipment and people bidding online and in there. It's hot, it's stuffy. Everybody has muscles. I don't like it. I didn't like how it felt inside. So we are back in the car, taking a little nap, because I don't know, I woke up way too early. So hopefully get out of here in the next hour or 4. All right, so just keep you guys updated. All right, guys, so we're off to the park.
I'm so excited.
They just woke up, guys. They just literally woke up at 4 o'clock. It is 5:52. So why did you guys wake up so late again?
Because sleep is important.
All right, we're on our way. Okay, so we're finally here. We're at the park doing some exercising, because guys, I am ordering Chinese food tonight, so I figure I'll do a little exercise before. And I got everybody out walking, so that's always a plus. So it's like a nature walk to the park in my area.
I love it.
Okay, so we just had a great day at the park. It was really nice. So now to try to start this fire pit. Yeah, so I lit it like maybe twice before. I had to use kerosene and it really like burns your eyes. So I'm trying to do it differently this time. So I got this stuff from Home Depot called fire starter. So it says it's good for grills, campfires, stoves. So I figured why not see if it works. It's supposed to make lighting the fire pit easier, and I'm all for easy, right? Oh, we're putting out the blankets. It's about to be on tonight. Put some music on. It's getting a little bit chilly, but that's what the blankets are for. But it's a really nice summer day. So I guess this is what they look like. This looks like wood to me. So they said use 3 or 4. All right, so let's try it. Let's see what happens. Okay, something's happening. I did it by myself. So now the kids want to make some s'mores, so we're gonna relax in the back, play some music, make some s'mores. We have this new chocolate. It's like we're gonna try cookie dough chocolate. I had it at Target, the red, white, and blue Hershey's chocolate. So we're gonna try that on s'mores. I want to see if it tastes any different, so I'm really excited to try it, and let's get it going. All right, so our fire's going. It looks like it's time for drinks. Pick some margaritas. Okay, so my idea for a margarita is the best because nobody wants hot alcohol. So I think I'm gonna do the pineapple Ciroc, some pineapple juice, and some pina colada mix. Let's see, because I don't know how this is gonna work out. I'm putting an ice tray on my Christmas list. Because we have an ice tray, it's just that there was so much meat and everything in the refrigerator, especially when everybody was running to the store to get, you know, meats and stuff because of the pandemic, that there's no space in my freezer, so I had to take the big ice tray out. So it is my goal to get a deep freezer so I can move some of these meats out and I can bring back my ice, like I need ice. So if you know anywhere that has a sale in a deep freezer, let me know. Comment down below, let me know, because I can't with this hot drinks. I can't. All right, so let's see how this is looking. Okay guys, so my drink was a little thick, so I'm gonna try blending it and seeing if it comes out any better with some like frozen fruit since I don't have ice. So let's see how this comes out. I don't know what I'm doing. And I don't know how this is gonna work out because it's triple berry and I don't like blueberries or raspberries. I like blackberries, but let's see. Okay, so now that I've effectively made a smoothie, I quit. Let's just go. I'm done. I tried. All right, so we got some more stuff. We got the kids. I don't know what they're doing over there. Y'all want to make marshmallows first and then the s'mores? Yeah. It's about the experience, not about the marshmallow, Jason. The marshmallows are nasty. Okay guys, so I'm calling it a night. We had a really good time. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. As always, like, comment, subscribe at the bottom. And your girl is going to sleep. It's late now. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.